our old customer. Today we're sharpening his knives and giving him our new products to test out.
Yo, Ray! Finally!
How's business?
That's a lot of knives,
I didn't expect it to be this much because I want to hit and go.
Oh, for free?
This much, I think I'll charge him some money.
First gen.
8 months.
Still looking good.
This is sharp.
Cleaver.
Since I didn't bring the exact machine, this one doesn't have polish, hand polish. This one, no need to sharpen, already sharp, just need to strop a little bit so it's sharper.